Hi guys. Okay, I know my hair looks like a mess and it's like parted weirdly. I usually just have like a center part. But okay, so I went to my college a couple days ago and I got all of my things for my room. I know that I'm honestly curious as to why none of you guys have ever asked why my room is so empty. Like there's literally nothing on the walls at all. Like it just looks like a hospital room and it's kind of scary in here. So I'm always curious as to why nobody was like, why is there nothing on your walls? Like nobody has ever asked that, but whatever. So the reason was because my family was supposed to be moving like 2 months ago or something, like right when, you know, like all the quarantine stuff began. We were supposed to move, and so that's why everything was like cleared out of my room, because my room was like a showroom or whatever. So like when people would come over, you know, the room has to have like nothing on the walls, perfect like furniture and everything super clean. But you know, now that everything's going on, we don't really know when we're gonna be able to move and stuff now, so we're just staying here for now, which I don't mind because I like being near my friends. So I'm gonna go into the basement and get a bunch of stuff from my room at college, and I'm gonna just like bring it up here and kind of redecorate the room because it literally is so depressing right now. So I have some posters over there. I brought that mirror up and my room's really messy, so I'm gonna clean my room. I'm probably gonna put some like lights up and stuff over there. But yeah, I just wanna like redecorate the room because it's just very empty. So I'm gonna go downstairs where all the boxes are and bring some stuff back up here. Okay, here's all, this is, I think this is like half of the stuff I have. I think the other stuff is like in the storage room, which is in there. But yeah, I'm just gonna pull some things out and bring them up to my room. So this should be fun. Okay, my room is done, yay. There's a picture of Nolan and I, my screenwriting books here, a little cat thing there, my lamp, these posters, my speaker on this chair here because I switched that chair out for that because I needed something for my back. And yeah, just lights around here. I don't like that lamp, I want to get rid of it, but I don't know, we'll figure that out later. My little star, and then yeah, I just thought this really soft like white cover looked nice. So yeah, it's still kind of simple, but I kind of like that. It was definitely way too plain before though. It was kind of making me depressed, so it looks much cuter now. Guys, I'm making this cute birthday card for Alyssa from all of us. So I just want to show you what it looks like so far. It's so cute. I'm getting so crafty, I don't know. I'm having such a good time being crafty. It's so adorable. But I'm gonna write like happy birthday in here, and then I cut out and made little balloons, and then I'm gonna write a super long message. So yeah. Okay guys, so tomorrow is Alyssa's birthday and we're doing a little drive-by for her. So there's like 7 of us going. We're all driving separately, but we each like gave each other different things to do. So I think Elizabeth's making like posters or something. Nolan's gonna buy her like a pastry, and then I'm making a card. So I just crafted this little card, and it's not the best. I'm not super crafty, but it says like birthday queen on the front, and then it opens, and I don't want to show the writing because it's kind of like private stuff. But then I made these cute little like balloons, and I cut them out of this like scrapbook paper stuff and wrote like happy birthday. So yeah, but yeah, I'm really excited to drive by tomorrow and see her, so I will be vlogging that so you guys can come along. Oh my god, I have not driven since March like 15th or something, like maybe before that when I came home from spring break. I have not driven in that long, so it has been a while. So anyways, there's I think like 7 or 8 of us all going. Obviously we're going in separate cars, and the stay-at-home order has been lifted, so that's why we're doing this little drive-by, because we don't get to spend Alyssa's birthday with her, so that's kind of sad. Making sure I don't freaking crash on the backup camera. I do not want to crash, that'd be so bad. Okay, we have Nolan there, Kathleen, and then Paige, and then Allison, and then Tara. You can't, and then Elizabeth. Okay, that's everyone, right? What are we doing? Team leader Nolan.
We're coordinating Alyssa's birthday music surprise. We're discovering everyone's technical capabilities. Or lack thereof.
Don't vote. How are we gonna all just click play at the same time?
Yeah, no, and it's gonna be really off, and that's the joke.
Yeah. Guys, I haven't had this much like social interaction. It's a little much. I also have to go to the bathroom, that's not good.
Okay, let's take a consensus. I really don't care.
All right, it doesn't matter, but who votes birthday, bitch, and who votes birthday?
Okay.
I have birthday. So how do we know to all click play at once? When do we click play? When do we click play? All right, guys, here everyone is. We're waiting for her to come out of the house. We're gonna loop around again. We're just doing it again. All right, again. Okay. Say hi to the vlog. Okay, hold on. I have this. Wait, all right. Hey, was that successful?
I'd say it went fairly well.
I think it went well. I thought she wasn't gonna come out for a second.
It's rather unorganized.
That was good. It was chaotic energy. Get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out. We're good? All right. Good? All right. Bye. And Alyssa, if you're watching this, happy birthday. I love you. And to all my friends, thanks so much for coming out because Nolan, Paige, and I kind of planned this, and it was really, really fun, and everyone had a good time, and I know it meant a lot to Alyssa, so yeah. All right, I'm glad. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
And that ring gonna wash away someday. And that love gonna find a way.
We're playing house party, guys. You know what you want to say?
Come on.
Yes! I won!
Why'd you get to pick that one?
I knew she would think it's funny.
Kissing booths. I'm gonna be biased towards my own institution. Noodles. Pasta.
Yes. Orange is the new snack. Yeah, I would have said Elise's ex.
Alright. And then you're like.
And then you tie. Oh, I can't.
And then the tie. And the top. And then.
Yeah, it looks kind of weird, but it tastes so good. What the f? What the f? You've got to be kidding me. Don't cry, 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 don't cry. Well, since that happened, I am now gonna make a pizza with this cauliflower crust. All right, so my pizza is done, and it has spinach, this vegan mozzarella cheese, which looks like that, and then some of the pizza sauce, and then some fresh tomatoes, and then these like vegan. Oh my god, it looks so good. I burnt the crust though. I don't really care. I'm not gonna drop it. You're not gonna drop it. Okay, so I have acne medication on my face, so ignore that. But it's literally 1 a.m. I was working on an essay, and I just have a strange urge to bake cookies. So I'm gonna go downstairs and bake cookies. I think I'm gonna break my arm. Oh my gosh. It's getting thick. Arm workout. Oh my gosh. So while I'm waiting for the cookies to bake, I'm literally working on my essay. Yeah, so, oh my god, they're done. They look so beautiful. This is the first batch, but yeah, they look really good, and I'm just gonna let them sit and cool off for a while. So yeah, this is what they look like. Gotta get all the angles.